Alright, we have our winners for the 3 kilometer run and Akash, Akash, can we have you here on the stage? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again on the corporate health run by HDFC Bank. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Mr. Jasmeet Singh Anand, the zonal head at HDFC Bank, and we have our first winners for the 3 kilometer run. Can we have a loud applause for especially for 3 kilometer winners? First of all, we have Mr. Surendra Singh. Congratulations, sir. Surinder Singh, he got first, sir, and second, Mr. Deepak Kumar. Alright, we are facilitating our winners with a medal. So this is for our first winner, ladies and gentlemen, the first man to complete the 3 kilometer run. And secondly, we have Deepak Kumar completing the 3 kilometer run. Congratulations, Deepak. And the third we have is Mr. Indrapal. Congratulations, Mr. Indrapal. And next is Mr. Anil Kumar. Facilitation for everyone. Yes, we are doing the facilitation for everyone now. So I want to see everyone now. Rahul Bakshi, Manoj, and Yogesh. We have Anuj, we have Yogesh, we have Pramod, we have Kanwaldeep, and we also have Sumit, Manoj Kanwar, Rajiv Kumar, everyone who has just completed the 3 kilometer run. I would request everyone to kindly get awarded by our zonal head, Mr. Jasmeet Singh Anand. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 kilometer run by all our participants here for the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. And we are going live on Facebook, guys. So yes, I want to see everyone out there. So everyone who's on the Facebook are watching you live right now at this stage. Congratulations everyone. Amir Ansari, we have Pramod PP. Congratulations, Pramod. You have Krishan Kumar who just completed the 3 kilometer. And the first female who completed the 3 kilometers is also here. Kamaldeep Sethi, congratulations. Paramjeet Kataria. All the winners beautifully done. 3 kilometers. Oh, I guess almost everyone is back now. Almost everyone. Sheena, the first lady to be facilitated the 3-kilometer, ladies and gentlemen. The first lady, Sheena, and Neha Singh. 5 kilometer already. Wow. And Neha Singh for 3 kilometers. The first two ladies, Neha Singh. Congratulations. You definitely did a good run. Congratulations, Neha. And Shailendra Rai. Congratulations, Shailendra. Sumit Singla. Congratulations. Gaurav Khurana. Saurabh Sadha. Umesh Kumar. Ravinder. Mr. Prasad. Manoj Kanva. From our HDFC. Congratulations, sir. Amandeep Savla. We have Rahul Saxena. Shruti Soni. Mr. Mahendra Kumar. Anubhuti Goyal. We have Rajiv Kumar. We have Rajesh Sinha. And we have Akash Shukla. Deepak Kumar. Dheeraj Kumar. Harpreet Singh. Kumar Shivam. Baki. Congratulations. Shikhar Yadav. Kristi Bhatia. Shailendra Srivastava. Swati Saxena. So ladies and gentlemen, I guess mostly everyone out here from 3 kilometers are back. Alright, few more still left. Mr. Akash Prakasum, congratulations. Congratulations all the winners for completing the 3-kilometer HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. Can we have a loud round of applause for everyone out there? Come on. You guys did a fantastic job and we are live right now. So yes, keep tweeting. We have our Twitter handle at the rate HDFC_bank. And we also have at the rate HDFC Bank as well. So keep tweeting and keep following us on Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. We are live right now, so yes, continue the celebrations. The HDFC Bank Corporate as well. Once again, I congratulate all the winners who have just completed the run for I can see 5 kilometer as well as 3 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. And right now we are serving breakfast, so please help yourself. And we have a very brave kid, Pranjal, and he's here with me, and I would request Mr. Jasmeet Singh Anand, Zonal Head HDFC Bank, to kindly facilitate our winner. Which run did you do? 5 kilometers or 3 kilometers? 3 kilometers we just completed. Very, very nicely done, Pranjal. Congratulations. Yes, he's the only child today to complete the 3-kilometer run. Congratulations once again. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the breakfast has been served, so kindly help yourself. It's right there. And then we also have a bouncy for the kids. So if you have kids that are around, let them have their fun time at the bouncies. We are seeing 5-kilometer run people already reaching back. So we'll be doing the facilitation in a short while. Till then, enjoy the day, enjoy the meals, and keep drinking water. Hydrate yourself with the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. I would request those who have just completed the race kindly report at the desk where they have been given their startup from. So yes, so that you can collect your medals as well. So those who have just completed the race, I would request once again, ladies and gentlemen, to kindly collect their medals from the medal desk, which is right there in front of me. And once again, congratulations to all the winners for the 3-kilometer as well as the 5-kilometer. This is the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. And ladies and gentlemen, you guys are doing a fantastic job. Breakfast once again has been served. And there is also a selfie wall right there. So do not forget yourself to get yourself clicked out there. And keep tweeting, keep being live on Facebook. Yes, we are live on Facebook today. This is Nyla, your host for this beautiful, beautiful morning at the HDFC Bank Corporate Run. Landy Hamilton, welcome from the ATSC. You just completed the race. Congratulations, sir. The HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. I can see so many beautiful faces out there. Such happy faces today. It's always said that health makes you feel happy. The exercise makes you feel happy. If you're healthy, if you're exercising every day, you always stay happy. So this is the happiness I'm seeing today at the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while we'll be doing the facilitation of the winners for the 3 kilometer as well as the 5 kilometers on the stage itself. So stick around, have breakfast, drink water, and also we also have a selfie booth right there. So get yourself slick yourself. The selfie booth, do not forget to get yourself tweeted on Twitter as well as on Facebook. Also we have a bounce for the kids. So if you're around here with the kids, you can have the kids enjoy at the bouncy as well. The breakfast once again has been served. Please help yourself. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the facilitation for the 3 kilometer as well as the 5 kilometer run will be done in a short while on the stage itself, and also there's the selfie booth out here. Do not forget to get yourself clicked, follow us on Twitter and as well as on Facebook. We also have the breakfast being served, so kindly help yourself. This is the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special selfie booth for all of you, the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run selfie booth. So do not forget to get yourself clicked. Also, the breakfast has been served, so kindly help yourself along with. I would like to notify that facilitation of the 3 kilometer as well as the 5 kilometer run will be done in a short while here. So kindly stick around and yes, keep yourself hydrated. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have a selfie booth, so do not forget to get yourself clicked. Yes, you can get yourself clicked at the selfie booth, which is right there. Also, the breakfast has been served, so kindly help yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, the facilitation for the 3 kilometer as well as the 5 kilometer run winners will be done in a short while. So stick around and also get yourself clicked at a selfie booth. Click your selfies at a selfie booth. Also, we have breakfast being served, so kindly help yourself. gentlemen, the selfie booth is around here, so click your selfies at our selfie booth. Also, the breakfast has been served, so kindly help yourself with some delicious breakfast from MTR. And also, we'll be doing the facilitation for the 3 kilometer as well as the 5 kilometer run in a short while, so stick around for the same. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your host Naila and I welcome you all to the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. Can we have a loud round of applause for all of you out there? Come on. Great job done, guys. Great job done. I can see mostly everyone is almost back. And now for the same, I would like to call upon on the stage Mr. Abhishek Mishra, the Ultraman, Mr. Jasmeet Singh Anand, Zonal Head, HDFC Bank, and Ravinder Kaur, who is already next to me, so that we can start with the facilitation for the 3 kilometers and the 5 kilometers.
All the 3 kilometer people, everyone who had already had their breakfast, stretching किया किसी ने? No stretching. Anyone having any pain? किसी को घुटना दर्द कर रहा है? कर रहा है? किसका कर रहा है? That's why because you're bending it. Don't bend it. Stand. So we have the winners for 3 kilometer category. Bib number 3. Bib number 3512. Bib number 3512, 3 kilometers. कुछ चला गया दौड़ने. Okay. Bib number 3599. And bib number 3577. 3577. So guys, a great round of applause for all these three. The winners of 3 kilometer category. ताली बजा दो यार, तेज दौड़े बच्चे.
Bib number 3512, congratulations for being first, the first man to complete the 3 kilometer race. Hi sir, first of all, this is Surendra Singh, right? Sir, can you please describe your position and which company are you from? Oh, 41 and this completes first. Wow. The second now is bib number 3599, Mr. Deepak Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. He came second in the 3 kilometer run. Come on, guys, show me some energy. Come on, let's cheer him. Congratulations, Mr. Kumar. Sir, Mr. Kumar, I would like to know which corporate are you from? Yes, that's very nice. Congratulations. And our next one is big number 3577, Mr. Rahul Bakshi. Congratulations, Mr. Bakshi came third in the 3-kilometer run. He's the second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, sir. Your corporate card on FIS Global. FIS Global, come on. And who do we have next? Okay, still we have winners from 3K. Women category 3712. Big number 3712. Run, 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 run. Miss Neha Singh. Congratulations, Miss Neha Singh. And the next lady winner is 3552. 3552. And Neha, could you just tell me which company and and thank you all of you. Girls, rock on! Woo! Alright, so nice cheer for the girls. Congratulations, Mr. Neha Singh. And the next is 3552. With number 3552. Are you there? Can I see your hand? Come on, 3552. Alright, next is 3667. Bib number 3667. Run, 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 run. Come on. Already tied. Okay, 3552 is here. She came second. Swati Saxena, ladies and gentlemen, in the 3-kilometer run. Second. First runner-up for the 3-kilometer women. Congratulations. And ma'am, can I have your corporate name, please? FIS Global. What is it with FIS? Do you guys do they do the run every day in the morning? Every event. Yes. All right. 3667. The second runner-up, women category. Anubhuti Goyal. Congratulations, ma'am. And can I have your corporate name, please? Sarah, congratulations to Sarah. And the next winner, men in 5-kilometer category. Bib number 5933. Alright, lots of cheer. Mr. Vikram, congratulations on completing the first at 5-kilometer HDFC Bank Corporate has run. Congratulations once again, and sir, what's your corporate name? Alright, congratulations, Dr. India. And the first winner-up, ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up, men's category 5-kilometer is 5943. 5943. 5943. Come on, guys, can I see some cheers here? Adam, hi. Congratulations. Congratulations, he's the first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, 5-kilometer. Adam, first runner-up. That means second, yes. Okay, so, what's the problem? Well, cool, alright. Congratulations, Adam, once again. And the second 5730, yes. Come on, come on, come on. Mr. Sandeep Kumar, congratulations. The second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen. 5-kilometer men. Sandeep, I need to know your corporate name.
I am from Weimar Group and working as a design engineer.
Weimar, congratulations. And women in 5-kilometer category. The first one to complete the race is 5798. 5798, come on, come running, come running. Congratulations. Come on guys, 5 kilometers, the first lady. So, first I need to know your name. Again, FIS guys. FIS. And what is your name? Sangeeta. Sangeeta Kumari. Sangeeta Kumari. Ladies and gentlemen, please, once again, put your hands together for Sangeeta Kumari, the first lady to complete the 5-kilometer run. And now the first runner-up, women, is 5973. 5973. Come on, ladies, 5973. Can I see your hand? 5973. 5973. The second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is 5744. 5744, ladies section, ladies category, women category, 5 kilometers. Alright, so I guess we're done with the 5-kilometer and the 3 kilometers. Congratulations to all the winners.
Just one thing, Mamta Vasan is there from FIS. Hey Mamta, I just want to tell you, HR has given a very tough target to the people here. Everyone is running so hard. Thank you very much, Mamta. So many participants here. Thank you.
So we are still waiting for people to finish in 10-kilometer category. So we are waiting for another 5 minutes. So how many of you guys ran for first time? First timers? I think SDFC is also giving nice target to their people, all the first timers. Huh? So congratulations to you all. Anybody who wants to share their experience of first 5-kilometer run? No? Not you. No. This guy runs like crazy in Delhi every morning. No? Anybody who has finished their 5-kilometer for the first time? No one is able to talk?
Come on, sir, come on.
Okay guys, so clap for a healthy future generation. This kid finished 5 kilometers in SDFC Corporate Health Run. So a medal to the kid. Guys, clap for him. यार हम तो दौड़ते रहते हैं. Officers, staff. Congratulations.
Hi, what's your name?
Man, you can do it.
Shant, which
You can do it.
Shreyant, what's your full name? Shreyant Kapoor. Shreyant, you ran really well. 5 kilometers you ran. So first tell me that how was your experience so far at the SPFC Bank Corporate Health when you ran for 5 kilometers? How did it make you feel? And also, first answer me that next question. After 2.5 you were much better. So he's saying that after around 2.5 kilometers he was much better at running. So I guess everyone should at least run for 2.5 kilometers and then they'll probably start running again. Yes? And enjoy the run. So did you enjoyed the run? How was it? Amazing? Beautiful? Yes? Amazing? Alright, thank you so much, and congratulations. And yes, we are hoping that all the kids run and have a healthy future like yours. Thank you so much. And we also have another one. Hi, you're really cute. Shaurya. Shaurya Gupta. Congratulations. How old are you?
I'm here for you.
Well done!
Yes. And you ran for how long?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers you ran. Wow. And you completed the run. So I would request Shaurya out here just completed 5 kilometers, ladies and gentlemen. I guess the smallest kid is just 6 years old.
Come on, man, come on.
Congratulations, Shaurya.
Ajay Sharma, can I have you here for a minute? Come.
Okay, so now, because none of you are coming up to the ranking time for the first timer, okay? Congratulations for finishing the run. So the first question to the first timer in SDFC is, was it a pleasant question that they asked you to run 5 kilometers? Guys, clap for SDFC, यार क्या है? Deal boss. Dialogue सुनो.
के ऊपर माँ की पेट है तो भागना चालू कर दिया था। जब लाइन चालू किया तो भागना चालू कर दिया। आज भी भागे रहे।
You know what? There's a very important line what he has said. So whenever people come and they ask, यार run करना यार सिखा दो. Everybody who wants to run this thing, running करना सिखा दो. What he said actually is the best thing, you know. The first thing which a born baby learns in terms of physical activity is how to walk. And that's a very basic thing. The reason why we say go for a running event is a very basic exercise to be healthy. So thank you for the statement, sir. Thanks a lot. There's one more first timer.
You got first timer in the run today also. Akash said, when Akash said, yeah, he's not run today also. Abhishek, help me.
Okay, so we have congratulations, Akash, for running up to the stage. So we'll ask, okay, so there are different motivations. So there's a different motivation for Ajay to run. We're going to ask, what's your motivation not to run?
I did run for time. The whole idea was to be here and experience. The year when rest of the team was here at 5 o'clock, you were here at 7 o'clock.
You heard that the boss says that he nahi bhaga hai, but he said, no, I ran, but I did not finish the run. That's what happened in corporate life, right? मेरा goal हो गया, नहीं हुआ, इसको 5 और बढ़ा, right?
We have one SDFCN who's done 10 kilometers. Renu Anand is not here.
Guys, clap, we have hardly any, you know what? The ratio is increasing, but still in India, and I'll tell you a fact, outside India, when you go and see the runs in US, Europe, anywhere, in the participation of a full marathon, I'm talking about 42 kilometers, 60% is women. When you come to India, we have 6% women. So clap for all the women who ran and they finished, be it 1 kilometer and 10 kilometers. And congratulations for the run. You would share the experience, how it was for you.
We have one more person who sleeps, eats, drinks, dreams about running only, but never runs. Surbi, तेरी बात है क्या?
See, there's some respect for medal, okay? He's not wearing it, she's just carrying it in the hand. मैंने कहा मैं तो दौड़ ही नहीं मैं कैसे So I'd like to ask, okay, lots of people they say that दौड़ नहीं सकते. So I'll ask, how many of you take a resolution on 1st of January saying this start to gym
Yes. Yes.
and how many of you by 28th of February say यार छोड़ ना अगले साल से? Say यार be realistic. Oh, by 2nd of January, right? So what is your reason you say, oh छोड़ ना अगले साल से?
January is my birthday, so I actually sure. So I resolve every year, and for this year I'm committed that I will run like 103. So I promise that. So we have 3 events in the field of these are what we have to do. So I'm already motivated, pushed, and inspired.
Thank you all, and thanks to all the guys. Big round of applause for SDFC people for correcting it here and making this run successful. So we had the first runner-up of 5 kilometer category.
It's 5973. Kilometer run, women category. I guess someone found her and again lost her. So anyone found her again, then please, I guess 5973.
Okay guys, this is the last time we are calling for women first runner-up 5973. These gift hampers are really amazing, okay? Okay, now that the appraisal is left in SDFC, I don't know if he'll do it, but I can say, 2% इसकी वजह से बढ़ जाएगा. So anybody who can do 25 push-ups right now on the stage.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon on stage Mr. Sanjeev Anand from BMW. Mr. Sanjeev Anand from BMW. Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal, let me correct myself, sir. You want to share something about your run at the SDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. How was it and what else you have for rest of us to say? Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Alright, so I'm going to continue what Abhishek started. Okay, guys.
SDFC people. All the SDFC people who have not ran today. Here, be honest. People who have not ran. Okay, Anubhav Khanna. Anubhav Khanna, SDFC. Yeah, please, I can see the, proud chest with the medal, nice.
Those who didn't ran today.
All the people here. And anyone who thinks they cannot do 20 push-ups. So I'd like to request one participant from FIS. So what's your good name? Sorry? Okay, we have Harvinder and Harry Singh. Come on the stage. Harry will help all the SDFC people because we have lots of winners from FIS, so congratulations for that. And he's going to do the push-ups with SDFC employees. Oh, only one? No, that's not justice. Sir, upar aaiye. Oh, yeah, come, yeah. Rajesh Kumar. Pankaj Arora. बात देखो जो आएगा 2% बढ़ेगा प्रेजेंट में सोच लो महंगाई बढ़ती जा रही है I can do 20%. नहीं appraisal तो just meet के ऊपर है. Okay guys, he's gonna do 20 push-ups first. Come here. Yeah. And if he can do it, anybody who says I can't, So remember this, you know, when I was going for my first Ironman 2 years back, the only video which I saw, there were two statements. So there are only two kind of people in this world. One who say I can, one who say I can't. So decide in which league you are. In the can't or in the can league, okay? This guy. Wait, wait. I'm going to count for it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, clap for it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Come on, 17, 18, 19. Woo!
क्या खाते हो इस ओवर में? बता दो सबको।
Anybody who says they can't. Look at this.
He's just 6 years old, ladies and gentlemen. Just 6 years old, and he can do 20
And
push-ups.
salute your courage. It's been more than a year we are traveling all across the country asking people 10 push-up karo. They said, "Arey nahi hota yaar, ye problem ye." So there'll always be thousands of excuses of not doing it. This guy has a reason of going and showing it. So congratulations again, SDFC people.
Come on, together,
Yeah,
everybody.
yes.
Together, everyone. Let's
All of you,
start.
all of you, all of you.
Start,
All of you, come on.
Take the position, take the position. Together, together.
On the stage together. Wait, I'll count, wait. Ready? On the set. Okay, ज़्यादा लोग नहीं यार, स्टेज का भी लिमिट है. We start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So Harry has done 20. I'm just waiting for the... No, quickly. 20 done.
20, 20.
Do not stand before you do. No, you have to do 20. 20 pushes. Okay, I'll do it with you. Do we have the HR and somebody from HR in FIS? Who's the HR? The HR head FIS. Yeah, okay. Referee. So I don't know, but guys, 3 cheers to FIS people. So dedicated for fitness and health. And let me tell you this fact. आप कितना भी कमा लो, कितनी भी नौकरी कर लो, the basic need is to be healthy. Because if you're not healthy, ना तो घर संभलेगा ना office. Am I right? So all the people who have ran for the first time, and all the people from FIS, thank you for inspiring so many runners here. Thanks a lot, sir. He just finished 50 push-ups, okay? Congratulations. Congratulations, team FIS. Thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. And thanks to all the SDFC people who did 5 kilometers, 5, 10 push-ups. Congratulations. Congratulations. You did 20? Yeah. Guys, once again, clap for all these people. थोड़ी courage चाहिए थी यार, stage पे आकर के, you know?
For the push-ups. Alright, so obviously we're ready with our winners for the 10-kilometer run. Men, ladies and gentlemen, the first one to complete 10 kilometers HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run is 1163. Come on, 10 kilometers, 1163. Congratulations.
Come easy. सर दौड़ लिया है 10 किलोमीटर है. Congratulations.
Can we have the prizes? like to know, sir, I now need to know your name as well as the corporate name. How was your run, the 10 kilometers? Alright, thank you and congratulations, Vimal. And this, ladies and gentlemen, now the first runner-up for the 10 kilometers men is 1083. 1083. Mr. Karandeep Singh. Congratulations, sir.
Come on, man, you can do it.
Alright, everyone from the Pepsi group, come on the stage. All the people from Pepsi. We request everyone, come on guys, run to the stage, come on.
Come on.
Congratulations, everyone. I first I need to ask Mr. Singh, sir, how was your experience at the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run? How was the run?
It was fantastic. Very well organized. Thank you, HDFC.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up at the 10 kilometer men is 1130. 1130, come on. 10 kilometers, the second runner-up, ladies and So congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, who are still coming in, just completed the race. And now it's the second runner-up, Prashant Jha. Congratulations, the second runner-up, 10 kilometers at the HDFC Bank Corporate Run. Mr. Jha, we request you to how was the run and also in your corporate name. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 10 kilometers winner on completing the first runner-up as the HDFC 10 kilometers corporate has run. Congratulations, Renu, but I need to know how was your experience?
Really a proud moment. This is the first time I'm winning the award for the running. It's like 4 years I've been practicing every year on year.
So next time we're gonna see you first.
Just correct yourself. First time for running you got the award. ऐसा लग रहा है पहली बार.
No, for running, of course.
Congratulations, Renu. And the last, or I should say the second runner-up, female category 10 kilometer is 1028. 1028. Come on. 10 kilometers female 1028. Bib number 1028. And ladies and gentlemen, meanwhile, I would like to notify that our Twitter handle is @HDFC_bank and @HDFC Bank News. Also, we have also we are going live on Facebook today, and we also have hashtag where the corporate has run and hashtag invest in good health. So keep tweeting and keep following us on Twitter as well as on Facebook. Alright, 1028, 10 kilometers. Congratulations, Raj Bala Kashyap. Ladies and gentlemen, Raj Bala Kashyap, 10 kilometers as second runner-up. Congratulations, Raj Bala Kashyap. And now we have the winner from 5 kilometers who just joined. The second runner-up male is 3692. 3692. Congratulations, Mr. Praveen Tiwari, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have some cheers, guys? Come on.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया.
Mr. Tiwari. अभी भी भागने की जल्दी कहीं और भागते जा रहे हैं यार. Alright, so I would like to post know your experience as well as your corporate name. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Tiwari.
Come on, ma'am, great.
5973 in the women category. 5 kilometer, 5973. Mrs. Aarti Anand, congratulations for completing 5 kilometers run at the 5744. Women category, 5-kilometer run, ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up, 5744. Congratulations, Priyanka Jha. The first runner-up. Come on guys, 5 kilometers. The second lady to finish the 5-kilometer run. Priyanka Jha, Priyanka, how was your run as well?
Well done, sir.
So first timers, there are many first timers, but congratulations, and 5 kilometers for the first time. I guess everyone did a beautiful job. And we have SRL group present out here, and I would request all the senior executives, all the senior employees of the SRL group to kindly come over on stage and share their experience. Hello, sir. But first of all, before leaving, sir, I would request the SRL group, I would request, first of all, for you guys to take a little feedback. How was the experience at the HDFC?
Thank you so much, Captain Encouragement. I see a lot of team spirit and people are very important for their health. I think that's the entire objective. We love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, SRL group. Thank you.
Hello guys. I would like to call FIS. FIS on the stage.
All the FIS group. First of all, I would like to thank the MTR and Body Shop for being our sponsors for the prizes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a cake cutting ceremony. So I would request everyone to gather around. Yes, we have a cake especially for all of you out here for showing all the beautiful spirit, for showing such an enthusiasm as the HDFC Bank Corporate has done. So I would request everyone to kindly gather around. Closer, closer, closer. From the back as well. We're doing a cake cutting ceremony. Come on guys, can I have everyone around? Come on, closer. We're about to have the cake cutting ceremony, so whoever loves cake can be here. And I guess everyone loves cake. For the success of the beautiful run we had today, the beautiful day we had today at the HDFC Bank Corporate has done. Thanks to all our participants here, all our customers, all our corporate customers who participated, everyone who won today, congratulations. And thank you all our sponsors, Fortis, Ambience Island, Aquarius, Viva Fit, Yatra, MTR, Blue Wells School, as well as Body Shop. Congratulations HDFC for organizing this beautiful day, HDFC Bank Corporate Run. congratulations and thank you for taking such a beautiful initiative for making people healthier. Once again, thanking all our sponsors, Ambience Island, Fortis, Aquarius, Viva Bit, Yatra, MDR, Bluebell Forest School, and the Body Shop. We would also like to tell you that we are out here as a Twitter, so keep tweeting us at our handles, Twitter handles at the rate HDFC_bank and at the rate HDFC Bank News, our hashtag corporate health run and hashtag invest in good health. So keep tweeting and keep following us on Facebook. We are live events live today on Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed the day, ladies and gentlemen. This was the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. We also have a selfie booth and I hope everyone enjoyed their breakfast. The breakfast has already been served. Whosoever is still left with breakfast, kindly help yourself with breakfast and also get yourself picked at our HDFC selfie booth. And I would like to thank especially the Ultraman, Mr. Abhishek Mishra, our zonal head HDFC Bank, Mrs. Jasmeet Singh Anand, and I would request all the HDFC Bank people, everyone from HDFC, everyone.
Hey, Radhika, can you call all of them, Mukesh, Rana, everyone from HDFC Bank team? Yeah. Everyone from HDFC Bank team, can I have you here?
Everyone from the HDFC Bank team. Congratulations HDFC Bank for organizing this beautiful HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run. And thank you all our sponsors. Once again, thanking all our sponsors for this, Ambience Island, Audi, Gurgaon, Aquarius, Viva Fit, Bluebell Senior Secondary School, Yatra, MCR and the Body Shop. Alright guys, this was the HDFC Bank Corporate Health Run, and thank you for all our sponsors. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful morning. It was a really healthy morning and a really smiley morning for all of you. And once again, we have a selfie booth. Also, the breakfast has been served, so yes, do not go back hungry. Guys, do feed yourself and stay hydrated. Have a good day and enjoy the Sunday. Thank you. This is my love signing off for the day. Thank you, everyone.
अच्छा